According to the National Fire Protection Association 13, the sprinkler must be separated from the electrical room by a 2-hour fire-rated barrier. A soffit enclosure around the pipe, as proposed, may be an acceptable solution if it meets certain requirements. Firstly, the soffit enclosure must be constructed of 2-hour fire-rated gypsum board or an equivalent material. Secondly, there must be adequate access to the sprinkler pipe for maintenance and repair. Thirdly, all penetrations through the soffit, such as electrical conduit, must be properly sealed to maintain the fire rating. Fourthly, the soffit must be fire-stopped at the top and bottom to prevent the spread of fire. While the soffit enclosure may meet the minimum code requirements, consider the following additional factors. The close proximity of the sprinkler pipe and electrical components poses a potential fire hazard. Accessing the sprinkler pipe for maintenance and repair may be more difficult with a soffit enclosure. The soffit enclosure may be unsightly and detract from the appearance of the electrical room. If possible, it's preferable to relocate the sprinkler pipe outside of the electrical room to eliminate the need for the soffit enclosure. This will minimize the fire hazard and improve accessibility. In conclusion, the soffit enclosure around the sprinkler pipe may be an acceptable solution if it meets all applicable code requirements. However, it's important to weigh the potential fire hazard, maintenance issues, and aesthetic concerns before accepting this solution. If feasible, relocation of the sprinkler pipe outside the electrical room is recommended.